Do space particles influence animal migration patterns? Every year, millions of animals embark on extraordinary journeys across the Earth. From birds soaring across continents to sea turtles navigating vast oceans, migration is one of nature's greatest mysteries. But what if some of these migrations are guided by forces beyond our planet? Scientists have long suspected that space particles like cosmic rays and solar radiation may play a role in animal navigation. Cosmic rays are high-energy particles originating from deep space that constantly bombard Earth's atmosphere. Solar radiation, including charged particles from the sun, interacts with the Earth's magnetic field. Animals like birds, fish and insects rely on Earth's magnetic field for navigation. Could space particles disrupt or even enhance this natural ability? Some researchers believe that migratory animals have built-in biological compasses. This internal compass may be influenced by geomagnetic fields, which are in turn affected by solar storms. Solar storms release bursts of charged particles that can temporarily distort Earth's magnetic field. When this happens, migratory animals might experience disruptions in their sense of direction. Studies have shown that pigeons sometimes get lost during solar storms. These storms increase geomagnetic noise, making it harder for birds to orient themselves. Loggerhead sea turtles use magnetic fields to find their way back to nesting beaches. If solar particles interfere with these fields, turtles may end up in the wrong location. Some fish, like salmon, also rely on the magnetic field to return to their spawning grounds. Could space weather events explain why some salmon populations fail to reach their destinations? Scientists are now studying how these energetic space particles interact with biological systems. Cryptochrome is a light-sensitive protein found in the eyes of many migratory animals. This protein is believed to help birds and insects detect magnetic fields. Research suggests that cosmic rays might alter cryptochrome's function, affecting animal navigation. If true, this could mean that migration patterns are subtly influenced by space weather. Some scientists have even speculated that cosmic radiation might trigger instinctual changes in migratory behavior. Could sudden bursts of space radiation cause animals to alter their traditional routes? Geomagnetic storms occur when solar wind disturbs Earth's magnetosphere. These storms can create auroras, but they also interfere with compasses and navigation systems. During extreme geomagnetic events, birds have been recorded veering off course. Could these deviations be caused by disturbances in their internal magnetic sensors? Insects like monarch butterflies also use magnetoreception for migration. If space radiation fluctuates, could it affect the butterfly's ability to navigate? Some scientists theorize that whales may be impacted by geomagnetic fluctuations. Whale strandings sometimes coincide with solar storms, leading to speculation about magnetic interference. Could cosmic particles be altering the oceanic migration routes of marine mammals? Even microscopic organisms such as plankton show sensitivity to magnetic fields. If cosmic radiation influences plankton movement, it could have a cascading effect on the entire food chain. Could climate change combined with space radiation amplify disruptions in migration? Some researchers are using satellite data to track space weather alongside migration patterns. Preliminary studies suggest that certain bird species alter their flight paths during increased solar activity. Could animals instinctively sense when space weather is about to change? Throughout history, humans have observed strange animal behavior before geomagnetic storms. Are these creatures reacting to subtle environmental cues that we don't fully understand? The study of bioelectromagnetics is uncovering new ways that living organisms interact with Earth's electromagnetic environment. Some scientists believe that animals may have evolved natural defenses against space radiation. Could migratory animals have built-in mechanisms to adapt to fluctuations in cosmic rays? Ancient fossils suggest that some prehistoric creatures followed migratory patterns similar to modern animals. Could space weather have influenced migration for millions of years? If cosmic radiation affects migratory species, does it also impact non-migratory animals? Some deep-sea fish are highly sensitive to electromagnetic fields. Could they also be affected by shifts in cosmic radiation reaching Earth's oceans? Bats are another group of animals that rely on geomagnetic cues for orientation. Some bat populations have been observed taking unexpected routes during geomagnetic disturbances. Could their echolocation abilities be influenced by space particles? The potential effects of space weather on animal behavior remain largely unexplored. As technology advances, scientists are using GPS tracking to analyze how animals respond to geomagnetic anomalies. Could this data help us predict when and where migration disruptions might occur? If space radiation influences animal migration, it could have significant ecological consequences. Changes in migration patterns could disrupt ecosystems that rely on seasonal animal movements. Pollination, food chains, and predator-prey relationships could all be affected. Could increasing solar activity due to climate change further complicate migration patterns? Some researchers propose that studying migratory animals could provide insight into space weather forecasting. Could birds and fish serve as natural indicators of upcoming solar storms? Understanding the link between cosmic forces and animal migration could revolutionize conservation efforts. If we learn how space weather influences wildlife, could we better protect endangered migratory species? Satellites and observatories are now monitoring solar storms in real time. Could integrating this data with animal tracking improve conservation strategies? Animals have evolved over millions of years to adapt to Earth's changing conditions. Could their ability to adjust to space weather give us clues about how life might survive beyond Earth? If migration is partially influenced by cosmic radiation, does that mean extraterrestrial life could evolve similar adaptations? Could studying space weather-driven migration help us detect signs of life on exoplanets? The connection between space physics and animal behavior is an emerging field of study. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding how life on Earth is interconnected with the cosmos. As we continue to explore the universe, could we uncover even more ways in which space shapes life on our planet? The mystery of whether space particles influence migration patterns remains unsolved, but science is getting closer to the answer.